Of you.
Good morning, sir.
So today we will discuss the chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is migration. Name of the chapter is
Migration.
First we will know what is the migration. Okay, migration है क्या? Migration means movement of the people from one place to other place. What is the meaning of migration? Meaning of migration is that movement of the people from one place to other place या another place. We will learn through an example. Okay? हम इसको एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू से समझेंगे कि ये मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल कैसे होती है. मूवमेंट ऑफ द पीपल मीन्स लाइक दैट टू पर्सन लाइक दैट रामू एंड Shamu. Ramu and Shamu are the peoples. They are moving from one place. One place is Bihar, and to another place like that Punjab. Ramu and Shamu is moving from one place. It is the Bihar. Moving from Bihar to Punjab. It is called movement of the people. Migration. क्या बोलते हैं? What is the meaning of migration?
Movement of people from one place to another place.
This is called migration. Clear then?
Yes.
Now we will learn the second step in this migration. The name of the second step is your migration. Yes, streams. Very good. Migration streams. So now we will learn about the migration streams. Okay, तो migration streams में मतलब जैसे आपको सब्जेक्ट में streams मिलते हैं ना, आपने आर्ट्स रखना है 10th के बाद, ओके, कॉमर्स रखना है, उसी तरह माइग्रेशन स्ट्रीम्स कौन सी हैं? ओके, योर फर्स्ट माइग्रेशन स्ट्रीम इज रूरल to rural. Second is rural to urban. Third is urban to urban, and fourth is urban to rural. These are the four migration streams which we discuss one by one. First is the from rural to rural. Rural to rural means when some peoples are moved from the village to villages. Village to village. That is called your rural to rural migration. Clear that? Second point is rural to urban migration. What is the meaning of rural to urban? When the people moving from villages to cities or towns, that is called your rural to urban migration. Third is urban to urban. What is the meaning of urban to urban? Urban to urban meaning is that when the people are moving from city to city, that is called urban to urban migration. And last is your urban to rural, when the peoples are moving from to villages to the from the cities to villages, that is called urban to rural. Clear that? The 2 points which we discussed, first is your migration. What is the meaning of migration? Meaning of migration means movement of the people from one place to another place. Second, we discussed that the migration streams. Okay, there are 4 streams: rural to rural, rural to urban, urban to urban, and urban to rural. Clear that? These are the 2 points which we discussed, and you will study by your books, okay? And all the book part which is related to this migration you will done on your fair note. Clear that? Thanks.